Are you ready to explore the world of VLSI and how it's helping to power modern computing? In this video, we'll take a closer look at how the industry is scaling up with VLSI to meet the growing demands of today's digital age. At the heart of VLSI technology is the ability to integrate millions of transistors onto a single chip. This has been made possible by advancements in semiconductor manufacturing processes and design techniques. But the industry isn't stopping there. They're constantly pushing the boundaries of what's possible with VLSI. One way the industry is scaling up is by moving to smaller process nodes. This allows for more transistors to be packed onto a chip, which can significantly improve performance. In fact, the latest generation of processors are manufactured using a 5 nm process node, which is a significant leap forward from previous generations. Another way the industry is meeting the demands of modern computing is by designing specialized chips for specific applications, such as AI and ML. These chips are optimized for the specific computations required by these applications, providing significant performance gains compared to general-purpose processors. Finally, the industry is also focused on improving power efficiency. As the demand for computing power continues to grow, it's critical to reduce power consumption. Techniques such as voltage scaling and dynamic power management are used to achieve this goal. In conclusion, VLSI is a critical technology that's powering modern computing. From smaller process nodes to specialized chips and improved power efficiency, the industry is constantly innovating to meet the growing demands of today's digital age.